Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my own way. Good day everybody! Welcome back to my channel, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. So for today guys, magluluto tayo ng a very simple dish and affordable one. So saktong-sakto for this quarantine period, matipid na ulam. And ito ay ang tofu or tokwa. So alam nyo guys na ang tofu ay napaka-sustansya or maraming health benefits. This is low in calorie and no cholesterol. So high in protein and calcium, iron. Okay? So, try guys na mag-ulam kayo ng tofu once a month or twice a week kasi napaka-sustansya. And sa mga hindi rin mahilig sa pork, ito yung alternative nila, ang tofu, which is made from soybean. Okay? So, ang recipe natin for today ay tatawagin kong sarciadong tofu. So, very easy to prepare, guys. Okay? So, let's start how to cook our sarciadong tofu. So, ang ating ingredients, guys, ay, of course, kamatis, tomato, of course, egg. Option lang naman tong itlog na maalat. Okay? And of course, meron tayong onion and garlic. Okay? So, first, let's fry our tofu. Okay? So, lagyan muna natin ang ating tofu ng salt para may lasa. Okay, guys? So, put salt and painitin na rin ang ating pan with oil. So, let's put salt sa ating tofu. So, karaniwan guys sa sarsiado is fish. So, instead na fish, try tofu. Okay, let's fry our tofu. Okay guys, so while frying our tofu, i-prepare natin ang ating ingredients. Chop lang natin, slice natin. So, wala akong videographer today. So, si Vince, busy, kaya all alone. So guys, so, let's try. Na kaya kong walang videographer. Okay guys, so after natin ma-slice ang ating onion, garlic, and tomato, and make sure guys na yung tomato or kamatis, tanggalin nyo yung buto para less asin. Okay? So, i-beat naman natin ang ating egg. Let's beat our egg. 2 eggs guys. Hindi. Okay? So, let's fry our tofu and then after that, igigisa na natin guys. guys. So, see you! Okay guys, I'm back. So, ito na ang ating fried tofu. Ayan. So, let's start to saute our tofu. Okay, so kung mainit ng ating pan, of course, lagay natin ang ating butter, or if you don't have butter, just use oil, okay? And yung buong sangkap guys ng ating sarsiadong tofu or tokwa will be shown on the description box below. Okay, so melt lang natin ang ating butter. Okay guys, so kung melted na ang ating butter, let's put garlic. Yan. Let's put na rin our onion. Very easy to prepare lang to guys. Yet so yummy and healthy. Pag golden brown na, let's put our tomato. Okay guys, let's put water, kahit konting water na. Or depende sa gusto nyo kung gaano kadami water. Ayan. And then after that, let's put salt to taste. And then let's simmer for a few minutes. And then let's add our tofu. Okay guys, see you later. So habang niluluto natin guys ang ating tomato, let's slice our tofu. So ang slice natin sa tofu natin guys is pahaba. Ayan. Pahaba siya. So, ito siya guys. Yan. So, slice natin ang ating tofu horizontal. Ayan. So, let's check our tomato. Ginabit ang kamatis. So, it seems okay na to guys. So, let's put our tofu. And then, pagkalagay ng tofu guys, ilagay na natin kaagad ang ating 2 eggs. Okay. So, after that, all done guys. Ready to taste, ready to serve. So, all done guys, let's put our sarsiadong tofu sa ating plate and let's taste our dish for today. Okay? So, ito na guys ang ating sarsiadong tofu. Ayan. And then, of course, let's garnish our sarsiadong tofu ng salted egg. Ayan. Pero option lang to guys kung wala naman kayong salted egg. It's okay. Yan. Okay? So, It's tasting time, guys! Okay guys, so let's taste our sarsiadong tofu. Sarap. Ang sarap, malasa mo yung tofu. Hindi ganong maasim. And okay yung pagka-fry natin. Hindi siya yung crunchy. Para at least hindi siya ganong matigas. Sarap. Masarap to guys na pang breakfast, pang tanghalian, at pang hapunan na rin. Or pwede rin pang merienda. Very healthy dish. Less calorie and no cholesterol, but high in iron and calcium. Sarap. So sana matry nito guys. Very affordable dish na abot kaya sa bulsa. Siguro mga 50 pesos lang ang budget natin for this dish. And napakasarap. Okay? So thank you for watching guys, and see you again on my next vlog. And a countless thank you sa lahat po ng patuloy na sumusuporta po sa channel ko. Okay? So bye for now. Bye! Keep safe and I love you all. Thank you for watching. Bye! So yum.